Hello, Namaste everyone. I am Dr. Naveen and today we will learn how to do Shirsasana or headstand, which is also known as King of Asana or Asan Raj. There are too many yoga poses which give us too many benefits, but this single pose of Shirsasana can give us too many benefits at one time. That is why it is known as the King of Asana. It relieves our day-to-day stress, improves our eyesight, increases blood flow to the brain and thereby enhances the intellectual capabilities, reduces hair fall, strengthens our shoulders, arms, back and the core muscles, stimulates the lymphatic system and boosts our immunity. So first of all we will warm up our shoulders and back muscles because shoulders and back will be bearing the weight of entire body during the Shirsasana. We will raise our arms up and bring them down gently. We'll do forward rotation of shoulders and then we will do the backward rotation of the shoulders. Stretch our arms to the front and then to the back. Now interlace your fingers of both hands and make a cap-like structure. We have to place this cap on our head. The most protruded part of the head, which is also known as the crown, we have to place this cap over there and press this cap with both hands. And this top head will remain touched to the ground during the pose of Shirsasana. Now, few inches away from the wall, we will take our position in which the interlaced fingers, elbows and the top head will remain touched to the ground. We will bring our legs towards our chest and slowly with the help of our core muscles, we will raise our legs towards the ceiling. Keep breathing in and breathing out normally throughout the process. Be focused in this position and try your best to maintain the balance of your body. If you feel like you are falling behind, take your one leg towards the wall and slowly place your both the legs on the wall. Allow your body to settle down. Now stretch your legs towards the front and towards the back. And stretch your legs towards the left and the right side. This stretching will help your mind and body to find your natural balance. Now gently bring down your legs. Keep practicing this wall-assisted Shirsasana for few days and keep improving your balance day by day. Now, in order to remove the fear of falling down, we'll have to actually fall on the cushions while performing Shirsasana. Be aware while falling down that you have to roll your body in such a manner that firstly your upper back, secondly your lower back and finally your legs will land up on the ground. Regular practice of this safe and systematic fall down will totally remove the fear of falling while performing Shirsasana. In the final step, we will not be using cushions anymore. Rather, we will be performing Shirsasana directly on the floor. Always remember, the interlaced fingers, the elbows and the top head will always remain touched to the ground and we'll keep pressing the floor. We'll bring our legs closer to the chest and raise our legs towards the ceiling with the help of our core muscles. Core muscles will be engaged and contracted. Back muscles will be engaged and contracted. Keep breathing in and breathing out normally throughout the process. Never try to hold your breath during Shirsasana. Stay focused, stay calm. Now bring down your legs gently. Now we'll have to practice how to safely fall on the floor like we practiced while falling down on the cushions in the previous step. Again, be aware that while falling down, you have to roll your body in such a manner that firstly your upper back, secondly your lower back, and finally your legs will land up on the ground. Keep practicing regularly. Please like, share the video and subscribe to the channel. We'll meet again in our next video. Till then, keep practicing, keep improving. Bye bye.